Hello guys, how are you? Fine. Today we are discussing about the generator, all main parts of the generator. Okay, today we have a generator set. This engine model is KTA 19G3A. We are discussing about this all main parts of diesel engine and also alternator. Now you see this is engine, and this is, now you see this is alternator body. Now you see this is alternator, and this is a coupling of alternator. You see in this video. Okay, after that you see this is a starter. First of all, you push the start button. Now this starter is working for engine startup. We use this battery power 24 volt, and this is a battery, and this is a switch of battery on and off. This battery used for startup. Okay, and this is after the generator is started. After that, bypass the battery, and this is alternator, charging alternator. After that, this alternator is charging our battery. Okay, this is a radiator body, radiator fan. You see this is a radiator for engine cooling. Engine is running, the high temperature is rising, then this radiator is cooling down the temperature. Okay, this is a turbocharger. You see this is a turbocharger for efficient and good performance. We use this turbocharger. Okay, this is a filter, air filter. You see this is a air filter, and you see there is a sensor green. This filter is okay. If there is a red indication coming, now you see this is a faulty. You change this alternator is dirty. Okay, next one is you see this is a filter. You see filter for oil filter, fuel filter, water filter. This is a LF means lube filter. Okay, lube oil filter. And this is some WF means water filter. Okay, this is a lube oil. Remove this wall for removal of old oil. If the oil is 250 hours or 500 hours running generator, after that you remove this oil and fill new oil. And another one is a radiator water. Remove this radiator water from here. Okay, this is a breaker. This is a main air circuit breaker. You see this is a fully automatic air circuit breaker. We use for this in a big generator sets 1000 ampere. You see this ampere. This is a on and off push button. Okay, after that you see this is a controller. This controller model is 8610. This is a synchronizing controller. Okay, you see this is a deep sea electronic controller 8610. Okay, after that you see inside this panel you see a back of this controller connection. You see this is a back connection of this controller. There is a different connection, and I also explain in another video this all connection. This is a battery connection, sensor connection. There is a analog input, analog output, and also there is a bus bar voltage, and also a mains voltage V1 V2. And there is another thing. You see some CTs, CTU C1 S1 S2 S3. This is a CT connection for measuring a current. This is analog output. This is a laptop probe. We are connecting a laptop configuration from here. Okay, this is a governor AVR connection from here. You see this is a governor AVR. Okay, there is so many connection. I explain also this is a speed governor for engine. Okay, there is two type of controls, like for engine we use this governor, Cummins governor controller, and inside the alternator AVR is inside the alternator for voltage control. This is a battery charger. You see this is a battery charger for battery charging. Okay, this is a whole panel of our generator set control panel. There is breakers, protection breaker, relays, and you see this all setup is very good and very clear and good connection. This is H and L. You see this is a MSC cable. MSC means this is used for synchronization of two generator sets. You see this is a probe of this MSC link cable. You put there one side here and one to another generator. This is another generator. You see, MAC cable you connect from here to there. You see, this is a MAC link connection cable. Okay, this is another thing. You see, this is main thing, emergency. So many people don't know about the emergency, how to operate, how to release. You see, this is operation of the emergency and release this emergency push button. Okay, after that you see this is a very big generator Cummins, and you see this is a fuel filling, this is a main tank fuel filling station. Okay, this is, you see, this is a loop, also a loop filter for lubrication oil filter. Okay, this is a fuel filter for fuel filter and fuel water separator. Okay, and I also explain this fuel filter and water separator in other videos. You see, this is a fuel line, inlet line, and this is a fuel level indicator. You see, there is a fuel level indicator for main tank. Okay, you see this all connection. This is a inlet outlet connection, the return. This is a fuel governor system. Okay, this is all the fuel governing system. Before you see a governing system, this is he controls this governor from inside the generator main. This is probe. You see, this is adjustment of fuel and also adjustment of RPM. Okay, this is inlet, this is outlet lines, yani returns line, fuel inlet line, and this is return line. You see, this is return lines. Okay, after that you see this is main cylinders of Cummins generator set, Cummins engine. You see, this all videos very clearly mention everything. This is a radiator cap for filling this coolant from here, and also there is a level indicator showing the level indicator. Okay, this is also a fuel filter, and this is a very main sensor. This is a oil pressure sensor. We use this for oil pressure sensor. This is oil pressure sensor. Okay, you see, and this is a water, you see the water body. This is a water temperature sensor, and it is connected from water body. You see, this is a water line. This is connecting. This sensor is a water temperature sensor. Okay, this is a water temperature sensor. Okay, after that you see this is all generator. This is a salient enclosure type canopy. The outside noise is very low. For this we use this rubber pads, and also the very good quality canopy for outside noise is very low noise. We use this canopy for decreasing noise. Okay, this is our generator. Thank you.